Hi all my lovely foodies, this is CiCi. Today I'm partnering with Knorr and I'll use Knorr Liquid Seasoning to make 5 most popular Asian marinades. I'll also show you how you can bake the marinated chicken for a quick and delicious dinner. We are using Knorr Liquid Seasoning today. It brings out the umami flavor. It's the perfect all-around companion in the kitchen, as you can use it to cook, marinate, sprinkle, and serve as a dipping sauce. Just one bottle inspires you with endless creations. And mix in all the other seasonings. Transfer the chicken to a kitchen bag. Pour in the marinade and seal the bag. Rub the marinade all over the meat. Let it marinate for 30 minutes to overnight. To make the marinade in a bowl, mix in all the seasonings. Transfer the chicken to a kitchen bag. Pour in the marinade and seal the bag. Rub the marinade all over the meat. Let it marinate for 30 minutes to overnight. To make the marinade in a bowl, mix in all the seasonings. Transfer the chicken to a kitchen bag and pour in the marinade and seal the bag. Rub the marinade all over the meat. Let it marinate for 30 minutes to overnight. To make the marinade in a bowl, mix in all the seasonings. Transfer the chicken to a kitchen bag. Pour in the marinade and seal the bag. Rub the marinade all over the meat. Let it marinate for 30 minutes to overnight. To make the marinade in a bowl, mix in all the seasonings. Transfer the chicken to a kitchen bag. Pour in the marinade and seal the bag. Rub the marinade all over the meat. Let it marinate for 30 minutes to overnight. Remove the chicken from the bags and place them on the roasting pan. Reserve the marinades. Transfer the roasting pan to the middle rack of the preheated oven and roast for 20 minutes, 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. Remove the roasting pan and brush the marinades. Return the roasting pan and roast for a final 10 minutes, 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. Wow. I really enjoy our marinated chicken today. I feel like everything is just so easy to make and yet super delicious. I will see you again next Friday for another awesome episode. So thank you to Knorr. See you next Friday.